Welcome back to part 2 of our discussion on why you should hire only a professional to change your transmission. Let's continue exploring the essential reasons behind entrusting this critical task to experts. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more valuable automotive insights. Benefits of hiring a professional. When it comes to changing your transmission, it may be tempting to save a few bucks by attempting the job yourself or hiring an amateur mechanic. However, opting for a professional transmission service offers a range of benefits that can save you both time and money, while providing you with peace of mind. Let's explore these advantages in more detail. Time and money savings. The primary benefit of hiring a professional to change your transmission is the significant time and money savings it can provide. Professional mechanics have the expertise and experience to efficiently diagnose and address any transmission issues. They know how to get the job done right the first time, reducing the risk of costly mistakes or further damage to your vehicle. Additionally, professionals have access to resources and replacement parts that may not be readily available to individuals attempting a DIY approach. This means they can complete the transmission change more quickly, getting you back on the road faster and minimizing any inconvenience or disruption to your daily routine. Access to specialized tools and equipment. Changing a transmission requires the use of specialized tools and equipment that may not be commonly found in the average person's toolbox. Professional mechanics, on the other hand, are equipped with the necessary tools to tackle the job efficiently and effectively. Using the right tools ensures that the transmission change is performed accurately, reducing the risk of errors or complications. Professional-grade equipment also allows for precise adjustments and measurements, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your new transmission. Peace of mind. One of the most valuable benefits of hiring a professional to change your transmission is the peace of mind it brings. Professional mechanics are extensively trained and have a deep understanding of various transmission systems. They are up to date with the latest industry advancements and best practices, allowing them to provide reliable and trustworthy service. Knowing that your transmission is in the hands of a skilled professional can alleviate any anxiety or uncertainty you may have about the process. It gives you the confidence that the job will be done correctly, and your vehicle will be in top-notch condition once the transmission change is complete. In conclusion, hiring a professional for your transmission change offers numerous advantages. It saves you time and money, grants access to specialized tools and equipment, and provides you with the peace of mind that comes from relying on expert knowledge. So, when it comes to such a critical component of your vehicle, it's best to trust the professionals to ensure a smooth and successful transmission replacement. How to find a reliable professional for transmission change. Finding a reliable professional to handle your transmission change is crucial for a smooth and successful experience. With the right expertise and skills, you can ensure that your vehicle's transmission is in good hands. Here are some essential steps to help you find a trustworthy professional. Check certifications and credentials. When searching for a professional to handle your transmission change, it's essential to check their certifications and credentials. Look for technicians who are certified by recognized organizations such as the Automotive Service Excellence, or the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence. These certifications indicate that the technician has undergone rigorous training and has met industry standards. These may have different names in your jurisdiction. But always look for qualified and experienced professionals to work on your vehicles. Additionally, inquire about their experience in handling transmission changes specifically. Look for professionals who have a proven track record in working with different types of transmissions and have experience with your vehicle's make and model. A well-trained and experienced professional will have the necessary knowledge to perform the transmission change efficiently and effectively. Read reviews and testimonials. Before entrusting your vehicle to a professional, it's wise to read reviews and testimonials from previous customers. Online platforms such as Google, Yelp, or specialized automotive forums can provide valuable insights into the reputation and quality of service offered by the professional you are considering. Pay attention to the overall feedback and look for consistent positive reviews. Focus on aspects such as timeliness, professionalism, customer service, and the quality of the work performed. Genuine reviews can give you a better understanding of what to expect from a particular professional and help you make an informed decision. Get multiple quotes. To ensure you receive fair pricing and avoid any potential overcharging, it's advisable to obtain multiple quotes from different professionals. Reach out to several reputable transmission specialists and provide them with the necessary details about your vehicle, including its make, model, and current transmission issue. Compare the quotes you receive, taking into account the services offered, warranty coverage, and any additional fees or charges. Be cautious of unusually low quotes, as they might indicate subpar service or the use of cheap and unreliable parts. Ultimately, rely on a professional who provides a fair and transparent quote while offering quality service. By following these steps, checking certifications and credentials, reading reviews and testimonials, and getting multiple quotes, you can increase the likelihood of finding a reliable professional for your transmission change. Taking the time to find the right professional will give you peace of mind and ensure that your vehicle's transmission is in the hands of a skilled and trustworthy expert. In conclusion, hiring a professional to change your transmission is the wisest decision you can make. Not only do professionals have the necessary expertise and experience, but they also possess the right tools and equipment to ensure the job is done correctly. Attempting to change your transmission yourself or entrusting the task to an inexperienced individual can lead to costly mistakes and further damage to your vehicle. By investing in a professional, you can have peace of mind knowing that your transmission will be handled with care and precision. Don't risk the well-being of your car. Leave the job to the experts. Thank you for joining us in this two-part series on why hiring a professional to change your transmission is crucial. We hope you found these insights valuable. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, please feel free to let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more informative content. We are the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Until next time, drive safely and stay informed. Thanks for watching.